Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to share a folder on Dropbox. Now, if you want to share a folder on Dropbox but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Dropbox app on a device. So if you have not installed the Dropbox app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. And after that, you just need to open the Dropbox app. And this is the home page of Dropbox, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar like home, files, photos, account, and all of it. Now if you want to share the files, the folders to your friends or relatives or your office members or colleagues, then you just need to tap on three dots next to the files or the folders which you want to share, and here you'll see the option of share like this. And you may also simply add the people from here, or also you may simply copy the link of the folder, and you may also simply share it on Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, or any social media platform that you are good for it. And also you may simply set the expiration date, require password for it. So you may also select the option according to your choice, and you may simply share the folder like this. So that's it. That's how you can share the folders on Dropbox. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.